All right, time now for a little car review if I can gargle it out. Is it okay if I do that now?
Thank you.
Are you
You
ready?
better hurry because it sounded like your voice is going fast.
No, well, no. Hey, listen, it's better than it was yesterday. If you remember at dinner last night, I could barely talk.
That's true.
That was a good thing.
Yeah.
It's always a good thing, isn't it? Time now for this hour's car review.
I recently had the opportunity to drive the 2023 Infiniti QX60 Autograph all-wheel drive. Now, this is a 7-passenger vehicle from Infiniti. Comes in 4 trim levels. The Pure is the base level. The Luxe, the Sensory, and the Autograph. So we were driving the top of the line with the all-wheel drive. Now, this had a big update in 2022 and so this is the second generation. So not a lot of updates for 2023. Up front, you're going to find the adaptive front lighting with leveling, which is a really nice feature. Got the roof rails, got power folding heated side mirrors, got rain sensing wipers up front, got a motion activated lift gate, which is real nice if you're carrying groceries or any other cargo you want to put in the back. Got a power moon roof, and it's all rolling on some nice 20-inch aluminum wheels. Now you get to the inside, you've got semi-aniline leather seating. Now the first row is heated and ventilated, and it's got a massaging feature. Both seats, really nice. The second row, we had captain's chairs with a removable console. Again, a nice touch so that if you're going down the road or you're planning on having small children in that third row and you know you're going to want to get back there, you might take that console out to make it a little bit easier to get in and out while the vehicle's moving if you need to do that. Now, also, that second row had window sunshades on the side glass, so it's another nice feature to kind of keep the sun out. And up front, you're going to find a 12.3-inch touchscreen. This is where you're going to find all your comfort controls, convenience controls, your Infiniti InTouch infotainment system, your Apple and your Android interaction with your phone, all done through this really nice big 12.3-inch screen. The driver does get a 10.8-inch heads-up display that's really nice size, easy to read, and easy to find. Now, to make all this go, up front, you're going to find a 3.5-liter V6 under the hood. This produces 295 horsepower with 270 pound-feet of torque. Now, the vehicle we had comes with a towing package, so it's rated to tow up to 6,000 pounds, even with the 9-speed automatic transmission. Now, the EPA says that you should be looking for 20 miles per gallon in the city, 25 on the highway, for a combination of 22 on the average. Now, I got 21.6 miles per gallon across the 175.4 miles that I was able to drive this vehicle during the trial period. Now, it's not a performance vehicle. It's not a race car. You're not going to go to the drag strip and run the track. You're not going to go to a road course. Really not even going to go out on a twisty highway much, because this is a luxury ride and it's going to drive like a luxury ride. So you're not going to have this overly responsive track-like go-kart feeling whenever you're driving it, but it doesn't wallow all over the road. It's just a nice driving vehicle. Now, the base model price, which would be the pure trim level, is at $49,200 to start. Now, the base trim price for the Autograph is $62,600, and our MSRP as tested price is $68,185. So if you're looking at this vehicle and you're looking at some of the others in the category, there's a lot to choose from, but you can look at a Acura MDX, which starts out at $49,550, or you can step up to the Volvo XC90 at $56,000, and even go up another step to the Audi Q7 that starts at $59,200. So price-wise, it fits in there pretty good because you can bump them all up by stepping up on a few options that you have on them. And it's a really nice, styled, good-looking car. Had a lot of compliments when I was driving it. So this is my review of the 2023 Infiniti QX60 Autograph all-wheel drive.